Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use daily cardio load on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. To use this feature, you're gonna need to use the Health application, Samsung Health, on your smartphone. So make sure to install this application first, which is not pre-installed on your smartphone unless you are using a Samsung phone. Once you have installed Samsung Health from Google Play Store, you have to go to the second tab right here and scroll down to daily cardio load. And then we're gonna have to set up this feature by tapping next. Then select your training focus and tap done. And then you'll be able to check your daily cardio load both on your smartphone, and we can also check the health section on our watch and add cardio load dial here. Okay, so let's tap the plus icon at the bottom, and let's select activity in Samsung Health, and let's select daily cardio load, and now we can check it on our watch too. And that's how we do it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.